Hello students, this is Rajashekaran from MathWar. Are you ready to master quadratic equation in less than 20 minutes? Yes, we will start now. Any equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation in the variable x. Here a, b, c belongs to real number and this is the general form of a quadratic equation. We are going to check the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. You see the equation x into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. By seeing that this equation is not a quadratic equation because this is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c, but we cannot decide like that itself. We have to simplify it, and whether it is coming to that form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or not, you want to check it. So by simplifying, x square plus x plus 8 equal to x square minus 2 square you will get. By taking all those things to the left hand side, we got the answer as x plus 12 equal to 0, which is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 because we don't have any x square term. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Again, next sum, 2x plus 3 by x equal to 5 where x not equal to 0. Take LCM, take that x to that side, take this 5x to the left hand side. Finally, we got the equation as 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is minus 5 and c is 3. Therefore, the equation 2x plus 3 by x equal to 5 where x not equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Next, roots of a quadratic equation. A number alpha is a root of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if and only if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. That means to check whether the number alpha is a root or not, we should apply in the place of x alpha, and if the answer comes as 0, then we can say it is a root. The other names of root are solutions or zeros. We'll see one example. Show that root 2 and minus 2 root 2 are both solutions of the quadratic equation x square plus root 2x minus 4 equal to 0. First we will take x equal to root 2. Now we are going to substitute in the place of x as root 2 and we want to check whether 0 is coming or not. So x square plus root 2x minus 4 is equal to, in the place of x, substitute root 2. So root 2 square plus root 2 into root 2 minus 4. Root 2 square is root 4. Root 2 into root 2 value is root 4 minus 4. That is square root of 4 value is 2. Again here square root of 4 value 2 minus 4. 2 plus 2 4. 4 minus 4 0. Therefore x equal to root 2 is a solution of the given equation. Now we are going to check for the next one. Minus 2 root 2. Whether x equal to minus 2 root 2 is a solution or not, we will check it now. In the place of x, we should substitute minus 2 root 2. So minus 2 root 2 whole square plus root 2 into minus 2 root 2 minus 4. That is equal to minus whole square, that will become plus 2 square root 2 square will come plus, here minus actually it will come out, so no problem. We can write as minus 2 root 2 into root 2 minus 4. That is equal to, here plus 4 root 2 square is 2. Again plus into minus minus, here 2 root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus 4. Root 2 into root 2 root 4, square root of 4 value is 2. Directly I wrote it here. That is 8 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4. That is 8 minus 8. Minus 4 is 8. Minus 8. So 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 root 2 is a solution of the given equation. Therefore, we proved that x equal to 2 root 2 and x equal to minus 2 root 2 are both the solutions of the quadratic equations. Solving a quadratic equation. Two methods are there to solve a quadratic equation. That is, first one is factorization method, second one formula method. First one will be quite easy but can't be applied for all the problems. Second one is a general method which can be applied for all the problems. So first one we will start with the factorization method. We will see one problem now. See the question. Solve x into 2x plus 5 equal to 25. But this is not a general form of a quadratic equation. So we should make it like ax square plus bx plus c model. Then we should start to work out. So x into 2x plus 5 equal to 25. If you multiply it inside, 2x square plus 5x equal to 25. Bring it to the left hand side. You will get 2x square plus 5x minus 25 equal to 0. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we are going to use factorization method to solve it. See the coefficient of x square, it's 2. We should multiply it with the constant term. So 2 into minus 25, it will become minus 50, and coefficient of x term is plus 5. We should choose the factors such that if we multiply, we must get minus 50, and if we add, we should get plus 5. So the correct factors are 10 and 5. Actually saying 10 and minus 5. 10 into minus 5 is minus 50. 10 minus 5 is plus 5. So our values are correct. We should apply that in the middle term. Like instead of 5x, we can write it as 10x and minus 5x. Splitting the middle term method, we are going to start. So 2x square, this middle term plus 5x, we can write as plus 10x minus 5x minus 25 equal to 0. From the first two term, 2x is common. If we take it out, x plus 5 we will get. From the second two term, minus 5 is common. If you take it outside, x plus 5 we will get it equal to 0. Now x plus 5 is common. If you take it outside, 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Now x plus 5 into 2x minus 5 equal to 0, we got it. By zero product rule, we can write this as x plus 5 equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Can write x plus 5 equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 5 or 2x is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 by 2. So two solutions we got it. Hence the roots of the given equations are minus 5 comma 5 by 2. Hence the root of the given equation are minus 5 comma 5 by 2. The next method for solving a quadratic equation is formula method. For any quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, the roots are x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We will go with our example. Solve x square minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Here question, x square minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0, we will take and write. By comparing the above equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we can get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 10. A value 1, b value minus 5, c value minus 10. We are going to solve using formula method. It is not possible to go with the factorization method. As I said, that may be easy, but we cannot work out all the problems. Here, this is a general method to solve all the problems. So we can use formula method. It is must to write the formula always. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is equal to minus of minus 5. Minus b is minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value 1, c value minus 10 divided by 2 into a value 1. Minus of minus 5 is plus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 whole square is 25. Minus into minus, it is plus. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 10 40 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. That is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 40 is 65 divided by 2. That is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 65 value. You are supposed to find it. So square root of 65 value is 8.062 divided by 2. Square root of 65 value is 8.062. This you should obtain it either by using logarithm book or by calculating yourself. That is equal to, now two solutions we will get, 5 plus 8.062 by 2 x value, or another solution is x is equal to 5 minus 8.062 by 2. That is 5 plus 8.062 value is 5 plus 8 is 13.062 divided by 2, comma another one, x is equal to 5 minus 8.062, it is nothing but minus 3.062 divided by 2. Now by dividing it by 2, we will get x is equal to 13.062 by 2, we will get 6.531, and here x is equal to, if you divide it, it is minus 1.531. 5, again 3, 1 you will get. That is 6.531 and minus 1.531. Now we got the answer. But question it is given, give your answer corrected to 2 decimal place. So second decimal place we should go. Second decimal place is nothing but after the decimal point, second digit. First digit, second digit. This is the second digit. And here also, this is the second digit. Next to that number, we want to check it. Here also, next to that digit, we should check. And since it is less than 5, we can write the value x is equal to 6.53. After correction, 6.53 is the answer. Here also, the next digit to 3 is less than 5. So we don't want to add anything to here. So as it is, we can write x is equal to minus 1.53. Therefore, the roots of the given equation are 6.53 comma minus 1.53. You should mention correct to 2 decimal places. It is corrected to 2 decimal places. That is what we mentioned here. Next concept is nature of roots. While solving the quadratic equation, the root's nature will be depend upon b square minus 4ac, and this we used to call it as discriminant. A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 has 2 real and distinct roots, 2 real and different roots when b square minus 4ac value greater than 0. 2 real and equal roots if and only if b square minus 4ac value equal to 0, and no real roots if and only if b square minus 4ac value less than 0. We will go with an example. Discuss the nature of the roots of the following equations. First question is given as 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. By comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, we got a equal to 3, b equal to minus 2, c equal to 1 by 3. C value also is a real number, so no problem, 1 by 3 itself we can take it. Now, b square minus 4ac is equal to b value minus 2, so minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a value 3, b value 1 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 4. 4 into 1 is 4. So answer we got as 0. Therefore, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, which implies the equation has 2 real and equal roots. Since it is 0, we have 2 real and equal roots. Next question, 2 root 3 into x square minus 5x plus root 3 equal to 0. By comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c, we get a equal to 2 root 3, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to root 3. Now b square minus 4ac value is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 root 3 into c is root 3. That is 25 minus 4 into 2 into root 3 into root 3 we will get. That is 4 into 2 into 3 we will get. That is 24. So 25 minus 24 is nothing but 1. Therefore, b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. 1 means greater than 0 only, no? So it's greater than 0, which implies the equation has 2 real and distinct roots, 2 real and different roots. Next example, find the value of k for which kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. This equation has real and equal roots, it is given. First we will write the question and we can simplify it. Kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will get a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. It is given that the equation has real and equal roots. So, b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0. This we know that. Now, what is b square? That is minus 2k whole square. Minus 4 into a is k. C is 6 equal to 0. So, if you expand that, 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. So, we can take 4k outside. 4k if you take it outside, we will get k minus 6 equal to 0. By 0 product rule, 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. That is k equal to 0 or k minus 6, that is k equal to 6. K minus 6 equal to 0, that is k equal to 6. Two answers we got it. But k value is not equal to 0. If k value is 0, here 0 into something value, everything will become 0. So 6 equal to 0 we will get. It's completely make no sense. So k value not equal to 0. So the value of k is 6. Now solving applied problems. An aeroplane left 30 minutes later than its scheduled time, and in order to reach its destination 1500 km away in time, it has to increase its speed by 250 km per hour from its usual speed. Determine its usual speed. Aeroplane is 30 minutes later and it want to reach in time means it has to increase to 50 km per hour speed. Now we can make it as usual speed and new speed. We will make like this: usual speed, new speed. Now what is the distance here? Distance is equal to 1500 km for both usual speed as well as new speed, both same distance, 1500 km. Now what is the speed? Speed is nothing but x km per hour for the usual speed. Usually it will go in x km per hour. Now it has to increase the speed by 250 km per hour to reach it on time, right? So now the speed is x plus 250 km per hour. Now time taken we will find. Time taken is nothing but distance by speed. This formula we know. Time taken is distance by speed. So it is 1500 by x. Usual time taken by the aeroplane is 1500 by x. At new speed, if it goes, means time is again distance by speed, that is 1500 by x plus 250. Actually this is kilometer and this is kilometer per hour, and here also kilometer and this is kilometer per hour. Now time, no, it will be in hours, right? So kilometer will be cancelled, so 1500 by x hours, and here time is nothing but 1500 by x plus 250 hours. If the aeroplane goes in a usual speed, we can assume the time as t, and if it goes in a new speed, we can say that it is t minus 30, because we know that the aeroplane started 30 minutes later but it reached the destination on time. That means 30 minutes less we want to calculate it. From that we can understand this will take more time and here this is less time. If we subtract, it gives nothing but 30. So 1500 by x hours minus 1500 by x plus 250 hours is equal to 30 minutes. And since here both the places are hours and here minutes, we want to convert it as a hours. So 30 by 60 we can write it, that also in hours. That is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1500 by x minus 1500 by x plus 250 equal to 1 by 2. You can see the simplification. By cross multiplying, we will get 1500 into x plus 250 minus 1500x by x into x plus 250 equal to 1 by 2. After simplification, this will get cancelled, bringing this to this side, and if we multiply, and we will get an quadratic equation. After solving that quadratic equation, it is better to go with the factorization method. So 1000 into minus 750, we got it. These are two factors, we can write it. After simplification, we got the answer as x equal to minus 1000 or x equal to 750. X equal to minus 1000, it is not possible because speed can't be in negative. So x equal to 50. X is nothing but usual speed, right? So therefore, the usual speed of the aeroplane is 750 km per hour. If B takes 16 days less than A to do a piece of work, if both working together can do it in 15 days, in how many days will B alone complete the work? Let us assume A can complete a work in x days. Then B will complete in x minus 16 days, because as per the question, B takes 16 days less than A. So B can complete in x minus 16 days. You already know that A can complete a work in x days means his 1 day's work is 1 by x. B can complete a work in x minus 16 days means his 1 day's work is 1 by x minus 16. It is given A and B together, if they work, they can complete in 15 days. That means 1 day's work is 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 16 equal to 1 by 15. That is A's 1 day's work, A's 1 day work plus B's 1 day work equal to 1 by 15, because they can complete it together in 15 days. So 1 day they can complete 1 by 15th work. So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 16 equal to 1 by 15. That is, if you cross multiply, x minus 16 plus x by x into x minus 16 equal to 1 by 15. After simplifying, we will get like 30x minus 240 equal to x square minus 16. After simplifying everything, we got a quadratic equation: x square minus 46x plus 240 equal to 0. Using factorization method, we can take the factors are minus 40 and minus 6, such that if we multiply plus 240 and if we add minus 46, so x square minus 40x minus 6x plus 240 equal to 0. That is, from the first two term take x outside, from the second two term take x 6 outside, so x minus 40 will come. So x minus 40 is common. X minus 40 into x minus 6 equal to 0. That is x equal to 40 or x equal to 6 we got. But x, if it is equal to 6, what will happen? B can complete. X is nothing but A's work, right? A can complete in 6 days. Then how much B will take? That is x minus 16. So minus 10 will come. That is not possible, right? So x value is not equal to 6. So x value chance is 40 only. So B can complete a work in x minus 16 days. That is 40 minus 16 days. That is 24 days. So A can complete a work in 40 days and B can complete a work in 24 days. Together they join and work means they can complete a work in 15 days.